Welcome, welcome. How you doing today? Good, good. I'm glad you came here. Well, I want to tell you guys, when I first started off, I was struggling, had a hard time on this internet marketing, in this internet marketing space. But there came a time where I was like, I wanted to learn how to actually market. I had websites in the past. I would say anywhere from I want to say what I think approximately about 5 or 10 websites in the past. So what I done was I was steady struggling. Just thought, well, okay, I build a website, people will just show up. That's just not how it all works out. It doesn't work out this where people just absolutely just start showing up to my website. So I was just going out there out of bounds. I was sending people, like I was doing business cards and so forth, and just putting it out, being word of mouth on what I was doing and what I was pertaining to do out there in this marketing space. But with that being said, so what I did here in 2017 is what I did. I joined the 4%. And so once I joined the 4% and got started with them, I started actually learning on how to create, get results from sending people to these pages that I present to you today. But with that being said, I will teach you on how to actually market. But I recommend that you actually get a coach that can show you and the ins and out of this marketing space out here today. Now you got to be motivated and dedicated to whatever you pertain to do. Now if you do what's hard, it will become easy. That's what Jim Rohn said. He said it best. But you have to actually do it. You have to get out there and do it, guys. I'm not going to sit up here and going to tell you some bull crap or just lying to you about that. It is possible. It is actually possible to go out here and create funnels and go out here and get you would need your autoresponder. You would need a tracking tool. Those are the two things you actually need into this marketing space. Now there are good tools that's out there that would actually get you started into this marketing space without having you need to build funnels. But I recommend that you do build a funnel and get ClickFunnels. It would be a great marketing tool for you to get started in this marketing space if you're into affiliate marketing or just being an entrepreneur online. And there are tactics and strategies that you need to take and treat this as a business in order to scale up your business into this marketing field. Now, with that being said, I don't want to hold you here too long, but I want to share that with you and be on the lookout for more videos from me in the future. Okay, but right now, click the button below and get access onto with the 4% and get started today and learn on how to market your business and learn how to be affiliate marketer online today, tonight, right now is the time for you to get started. You don't have to sit here and if you don't want to, you don't have to click nothing. But I'll guarantee you, if as long as you wait and sit there and wait and waiting for the opportunity to just jump and fall into your lap, here's an opportunity for you to actually learn on how to create an entrepreneur online marketing space for you, how to be an affiliate marketer. You can learn today, not tomorrow, today, tonight, right now. Click the button below and get started. Bye for now. See you on the next video.